Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about introduction of the operating system. In this lecture we are going to see what is the definition of the operating system and what are the different services given by the operating system. So let us begin with the definition of the operating system. Basically, operating system is defined as a program which acts as an interface between computer users and the computer hardware. It is a system software because it is the interface between the computer system and its user. It provides a user-friendly environment in which a user may easily develop and execute the programs. The first software that need to be installed on any of the computer system is operating system. Once you install any of the operating system, the user can install various softwares for his or her purposes. Otherwise, hardware knowledge would be mandatory for computer programming. So, it can be said that an OS hides the complexity of hardware from uninterested users. Now, let us see what are the different services given by the operating system. So, these are the basic services given by the operating system: program execution, resource management, error handling, file system management, accounting, and I/O operation. So let us see the services one by one. So the first service that is given by the operating system is program execution. So while giving this service, the operating system must be able to load the program in the memory and it must be able to execute the program. Also, the operating system must be able to terminate the program either normally or abnormally. The second service that is given by the operating system is resource management. So whenever we execute the program, to execute or to complete the execution of the program needs various resources such as processor, memory, input device, and so on. So the operating system must be able to do the management of all these resources during the execution of the program. That is, the operating system must be able to allocate the resources to the program as well as it must be able to deallocate the resources from the program. So the resource management is one of the main service given by the operating system. The next service that is given by the operating system is error handling. The operating system must be able to, or it must be constantly aware about the errors occurring during the execution of the program. It must report regarding the errors while occurring in hardware or software to the users. The next service given by the operating system is file system management. So file system is nothing but the hierarchical organization of the different files in the computer system. So the operating system must provide a mean to the user so that the user can create and delete various files as and when required by the user. So the file system management also is a main service given by the operating system. Then the next service given by the operating system is accounting. A single system can be used among the multiple users, and this is possible by providing the different users with their different login names and passwords. The user can provide his or her login name and password, and a single system can be shared among multiple users. So the operating system must be able to maintain accounts of all these users with the details of their login names and passwords. The last service that is given by the operating system is I/O operation. During the execution of the program, the program may need input-output operation. So in that case, the operating system must provide a mean for the input-output operation needed by the program execution. So these were the different services that are given by the operating system.